mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. August 25, 2024, karera sa araw ng linggo. 7 races, yung race 2 and 3 ay stake race. And then race 1, 4, 5, 6, and 7 ay may distansyang 1,400. Race number 1, first choice number 2, Sirsia. Second choice number 7, Aliana. Race 2, ito ang Pilracom 4-year-old sprint race, 1,000 meter ang distance. Ito yung unang stake race. First choice number 3, Bashiru. Second choice number 2, Gusto Mucho. Race 3, PCSO 2-year-old maiden stake race, 1,200 ang distance. First choice natin number 4, Catania. Second choice number 5, District 1. Race 4, only choice number 1, Worshipful Master. Race 5, first choice number 5, Parisian Life. Second choice number 8, Mr. Dynamic. Third choice number 3, Full o Combat Order. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice number 2, Amor, Mi Amor. Second choice number 9, Bohemian. Third choice number 10, Hot Rat Hearts. Race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice number 7, Benji's Prayer. Second choice couple entry 6, Manupo 6A, Family Affair. Third choice number 3, Oktubre 14. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!